Hello everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Elena, and today we'll be crocheting another series of gingerbread cookies. And this time it will be a star. The star will be filled with currant jam, and of course you can decorate it any way you like. We won't do that decoration today because it's very simple, just lines and dots. But we will show you how to do a slightly more complex decoration. We'll show that today. I'll also try to finish filming the gingerbread house this week. It's made in a similar way with jam, and here on the table I have some cats again, so we need to hurry. And we made a gingerbread man already. I'll put the link somewhere here and also below the video. And of course, you can crochet it yourself. It's very simple, and I think it's a beautiful decoration for the Christmas tree. Let's get started. I'm using 100% anti-pilling acrylic yarn. We'll make 5 chain stitches and join them with a slip stitch. Three chain stitches as a replacement for a double crochet. And add 2 double crochets to it. One chain stitch, and again, 3 double crochets. Repeat this a total of 5 times. So I'm done. You have 1 3, 2 3s, 3 3s, 4 3s, and 5 3s, including the replacement. Now make a slip stitch into the 3rd stitch of the replacement chain. And make another slip stitch next to it. One more slip stitch to reach the place where we made 1 chain stitch. Make 2 double crochets. One double treble crochet. Three chain stitches. Again, 1 double treble crochet. And 2 more double crochets. Make a slip stitch into the center of the 3 double crochets. And repeat the same again. You will repeat this a total of 5 times into each hole we made in the previous row, with a chain stitch. This way you make 2, 1 on top and 1 on the bottom. Let's make the jam. For the jam, I used 100% cotton, 125 meters per 50 grams, specifically Camilla yarn. We'll make a magic ring. The jam isn't exactly the same size as the cookie base, so I had to improvise. But we don't spread the jam exactly, so I think if it slightly overlaps, it won't matter and it will look realistic as jam. Into the magic ring, make 15 single crochets. Make a slip stitch. Now 2 chain stitches. Continue with 15 double crochets. Start right at the place where you have the 3 chain stitches. We won't count the replacement in this row. Make a slip stitch into the first stitch of the row. Row number 3, 1 chain stitch, and make an increase of single crochet into each stitch. Now we'll make the little arches. Make 3 chain stitches. Add 2 double crochets to the same stitch as the replacement. Two double treble crochets into the same stitch. One chain stitch. Again, 2 double treble crochets. And 2 double crochets. Into the third stitch, make a slip stitch and another slip stitch. And repeat. So next into the next stitch. For the icing, I'm using 100% regular acrylic yarn. I think it's called Start from Velna Hep. Into the gap, make 2 slip stitches. Now the edge is done and we'll make the center. So I have it completely done like this. Now we'll assemble it together, with the wrong side facing up like this. The tutorial is finished. I hope you managed to make beautiful stars like mine. If you liked the video, I'd be happy if you gave it a like or a comment, and if you share the video with others. Have a great day. Bye.